This is Saturday morning breakfast: ham and sausage, eggs, and awesome soup. Sawadee crab. Thai TV, but they're playing some cheesy American music. I think they put that on for me. I swear I heard "Achy Breaky Heart" and John Denver. Yeah, that's real good. And, and this is the river. I thought the plants in the river were leaves, but it's some kind of floating plant. Huh? This is the Mekong? Oh, Mekong. Uh, the temple. What? And I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look, cause I'm on a boat. Hey, baby. Breakfast was very good. And that was our room. And take a tour. And this was our room. Very cool, inside a real boat. Air conditioner, thank goodness, worked very good. Big giant bed. I think it's bigger than king size. And then you come out to the back. Bathroom sink. Shower and toilet. Coconuts everywhere. And then go down into the second room. Oh, the door's locked. Very cool. The shower is kind of outside, so you can see trees and see the river and everything, but it's closed in, so nobody can see you. Obviously, they're partying early in the morning. Yeah, music's coming from the boat. This is so cool. And this is the owner's house. It's really cool. He only comes down on the weekends. I guess he lives in Bangkok. This is so cool. And down in the bottom part over here is where our friend is driving us around. Jute. He and his girlfriend stayed down there, and we stayed in the room above them. Wow, so nice. And every morning they put food out. Everybody along the river puts a plate of food out for the monks across the river. And at 6 a.m. the monks drive by and pick up food. And this is a different house over there. But that's just a house. We have a boat. And then the owner's house. And I guess they have this little canal here. It goes all the way around and back out to the river. This is the gateway into the owner's house. Yeah, I could live here. Hear the music? A little swing. Coconuts. But no monkeys. Where the monkeys at? And here comes Jute. Swatty crap, Jute. No English. Nice guy. And crazy thing is, no spiders around here. I'm very happy about that.